The benefits of microdermabrasion are promoting the collagen and elastin in your face. So it gives your skin that firmness and structure that we all want, keeps your skin looking younger. I've been using the Personal Microderm for about 5 years now, and I am loving it. It has made my skin so smooth. I feel like my fine lines and wrinkles are pretty much gone. The darker spots on my skin are pretty much gone. I have a lot fewer blemishes as well. I use my Personal Microderm once a week, and it takes me about 5 minutes, and it's super fast, super easy, super convenient. There's really not much difference between an in-office microdermabrasion and the Personal Microderm. You're really going to get the same benefits whether you go to somebody and pay lots more money versus doing it at home once a week. Being a master esthetician, it's kind of ironic. I really don't do a lot of treatments on myself in a spa setting. So really at home, using my Personal Microderm once a week is it. And my skincare, that's it.
This is the PMD Man. It's like a power sander for your face. Resurface your skin with weekly treatments to even out tone and texture. With patented spinning disc technology and perfectly calibrated vacuum suction, the PMD Man removes the top layer of dead, dull skin, revealing a fresh, smooth face. Consistent microdermabrasion treatments eliminate ingrown hairs and reduce the appearance of enlarged pores. Included is a wide array of discs designed for men's skin to make the treatments customizable for any skin type. It's time for you to join the over 1 million Personal Microderm users who have seen real results with once weekly treatments. It comes with a 1-year warranty and satisfaction guarantee.